NHD teaches kids how to persevere?
If the project is like a week long, it's a little lesson. But if it's over months and there's all this feedback, there's all this research, they're learning so many different kinds of skills.
Especially if you're working in a group, you have to collaborate, you have to communicate, and you have to cooperate.
We encourage them to find a story that relates to their passion. This project is having them not just sit and listen to the stories, but
learn more information than just that surface thing that happened.
It's a really valuable process from start to finish. It takes a long time. It's incredibly hard work.
The perfecting of your work builds that sense of pride that you wouldn't normally get for just a grade.
Trying something, failing at something, trying it again, failing better.
When they come in on competition day, the energy is palpable.
There are a whole range of emotions, from frustration to joy to
practicing their lines, and they're doing all the things, and they're setting up here and they're waiting here, and that hurry up and wait mentality, it's so good for them.
I see commonly, I'll see parents be really impressed with their student.
600,000 students around the world start the NHD process. So making it to nationals puts you in the top 1% of your peers around the world. CBA has sent kids every single year.
I think it gives them hope that they're gonna be okay, that they're gonna make it, and not just make it in this world, but like make a mark, a valuable one, you know?